Hi, I'm John Miller, Director of Sales, Malco Automotive. Here at Malco Automotive Products, we talk a lot about clean cars, making cars beautiful, but also a lot of us here, we like to work on our cars. So, whether you're a professional mechanic or an after-work kind of hobbyist like myself, where nights and weekends you spend time tinkering with your cars, we make some great products that are going to help you clean up your car in the after effects. Today we're going to talk about our Duplex dual-sided heavy-duty cleaning wipes and one of the great ways to use them and how they're really effective in cleanup. If you're working on your car, you're probably familiar with anti-seize. This is a product that is a combination of grease and a lubricating solid like an aluminum, copper, or even graphite. What's great about this product is it really does prevent corrosion and ease in future removal of any kind of mating surface. And like I said, it's magic. It's all over every surface you wanted to get it on, and even ones you didn't. So here we're going to start with our Duplex dual-sided heavy-duty cleaning wipe. There's two sides, like I said earlier. There's a textured side, which is a little more orange in appearance, and a smooth side on the back that's better for hard surfaces. You really just want to start with the hard surface side. You're going to wipe gently. Doesn't require a whole lot of pressure. And this is going to quickly and easily remove the metallic solids. And then you're going to move forward and just really get into the nails. Work it ever so slightly. Keep in mind, this is a pretty excessive amount of anti-seize. I hope you're not going to this extreme level. So it may require more than one wipe. We're going to go back to my left hand. And it is lanolin based, so it's safe for use on skin. Quick and easy to use if you don't have a water source and you just want to remove anti-seize, grease, dirt, dust, debris from yourself quickly.